Unlock your Canon EOS R10's true power and unleash your creative vision, starting here. First, let's customize your buttons for immediate access to frequently used settings. For instance, assign your ISO to the MFN button for quick adjustments without diving into menus. Next, fine-tune your autofocus in the AF menu. Explore AF method options like eye detection for portraits or zone AF for action. Don't forget to adjust tracking sensitivity here for fast-moving subjects, lower for less erratic motion. Mastering manual mode gives you complete control over exposure. Set your ISO, aperture, and shutter speed independently to achieve precise looks. For quick transitions between different shooting scenarios, utilize the C1 and C2 custom modes. Program these with your preferred settings for specific situations, like a high-speed action setup or a shallow depth-of-field portrait configuration. Finally, dive deep into the full menu system. Explore every tab from image quality and white balance in the red camera icon, to display options in the blue play icon, and even lens aberration corrections in the orange wrench icon. This is where the true potential of your R10 lies, offering advanced controls for every aspect of your photography.